Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the specs of your PC on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Let's begin. Start by opening up the Start menu and then clicking on Settings. From the settings, click on System. Now on the left sidebar, scroll down to the bottom and click on About. This will list your device specifications as well as your Windows specs. If you are looking for even more detailed specs, then open up the Start menu again and search for System Configuration and open it. You will now see some very detailed information about your PC. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.